What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja and we are back with another video for you guys. Today we have this lovely unit from LUVME here. This is their 18-inch layered cut blonde wig, and you guys can see it's given a 10 out of 10, and we're hopping on this Barbie trend. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I received in my package, and then we're just gonna move right along to the install. It's a simple grab and go, super pretty glueless unit, and I love it. So let's go ahead and move along to the install. I love this unit. The moment I put it on, I just felt so transformed. I love it. It is giving a really pretty vibes. I love how it turned out. Guys, check out the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will be leaving all links down below for the product and for LUVME here. You guys can go ahead and check out their website, check out their page. This is their unit. I love it. Go ahead and check out the video, and until next time, we'll see you guys in another video. This is the packaging where it came in. We did receive some gifts in our package as well. What I'm about to do is to brush my edges back. I will be using my Cream of Nature edge control to do that. I'll be using this, okay? Like, so they did send us a wig cap. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. So I already secured my edges, but to secure the wig, it is a glueless wig. I will be using this wig grip band that they sent for us. Let's go ahead and put that on. I promise you, your wig will not move. Like, it will not move. The wig cap will just sit right there, and the wig will just sit right on top of it. So let's go ahead and put a wig on. So this is what the wig actually looks like. It didn't come pre-cut, but it's already plugged. Everything was done to the unit, and it has the adjustable band inside with the two combs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and then we put our wig on. For my glueless unit, I really love a sense of extra security. So I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust this band a little bit tighter than I normally wear it, pretty much like halfway. And then I'm gonna put my wig on. I won't be applying any foundation to the lace, especially because it is a blonde unit. I'll just apply some in my part later on. So this is the wig. Right now this wig ate and left no crumbs whatsoever. Like, this is it. All I did was to cut the excess lace off, and this is it. Like, she is pretty. I love her. Like, this is the vibes that it's giving right now. So pretty much that is it for your glueless unit. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and style the unit. This one is a layered cut. All we need to do now is to flat iron our unit. So let's go ahead and finish our wig. So this is the final look, and it is given, love it. It is given a really nice, I love that they added layers to the unit, because I feel like it just does something to the wig. Like if it was just a simple straight unit, so flat, but the layers just took it to another level. Like it is given a really pretty vibes. I'm loving it. It's definitely a 10 for me. It is completely glueless. I'm in love with this unit. I feel like we got a 10 for this Barbie trend. Like it is giving a really pretty vibes. I love it. If you want to get this unit, then go ahead and check out my description. I will be leaving the links down below. This is the final look. It is super pretty, super soft, and of course it is glueless, flawless, and I love how gorgeous this unit is. If you like this wig, then go ahead and check out the link in my description and make your purchase. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, let me know how you feel about this unit, and most importantly, go ahead and tap that subscribe button so I can see you guys again in another video.